Our severe weather threat for today has expanded. We now have a slight risk from southwestern Texas all the way up into New York, with an enhanced categorical risk through parts of central Texas. This does include cities like San Angelo and Abilene. Taking a look at our tornado risk today, you can see that we do have a pretty large 5% region stretching from portions of southwestern Texas through the DFW, southeastern Oklahoma, and northwestern Arkansas, and a slightly larger 2% risk surrounding that. I do think it's possible to see an upgrade to a 10% in here, maybe even a 10% hatch risk, so we have to pay attention to that. We have a 15 to 30% hatch region for hail that does include most of central Texas and then parts of southern Oklahoma. We could see hail pushing 3-4 inches in this region. And here's our wind risk. That 30% region is around central Texas. We may see these storms initiating down in Texas as early as 2 to 3 p.m. central time. And then moving on up into Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Missouri, this could be closer to 7 or 8 p.m. central, when we could really see a lot of these supercell storms initiate. Up into the north and east, this will be a late afternoon and early evening event. Our HRRR is still picking up a lot of supercells in this region though as we approach midnight central time. So this event could last quite a while through the southern plains. And I have to say this, near the surface, we have decent velocity and directional shear, a good amount of CAPE to work with. You can see our effective layer sector parameter is high, and we have good storm relative helicity down at the surface as well. This is what helps us with rotation. Overall, the soundings in this region are impressive, so everyone should be weather alert today. And that's also why I think we could even see an upgrade to a 10% or even a 10% hatch risk for tornadoes. We have also seen an uptrend in tomorrow's severe weather event as well. The most severe weather tomorrow looks to be targeting northern Arkansas and most of Missouri, but as you can see, we do have a larger marginal and slight risk. I did lastly want to mention we are still watching some pretty good snowfall over here in portions of Colorado and New Mexico, with the HRRR thinking some areas could still receive over a foot of snow. I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every day and I stream every night. I'll see you in the next video.